Hello everybody and welcome to another adventure with Pierre Farrugia. Today with me there's Vince Paka and the new one, Joe Grimes. Is it good, eh? He has a YouTube channel as well as Paka and me. Go to follow them all. And as you can see, we are at Welcome Center. Today we are at Rinella Theme Park and we're going to discover this abandoned space. So let's start discovering the area. At the entrance you will find the prices for the tickets. Since it's way back, it's in Lira Maltija and not in euro, so about for a family it was 10 Maltese lire, which are about 23 euros now. This we are not in the jungle, but we are still in the movie park. Just like a residence. Eh? Very old desk. This like was a small building, like a residence here, or maybe offices. This be the bathroom. Lot of stuff here for the kitchen. We are going to enter in its first building. I think this was here when the building was done. The graffiti is later. It's a very bad state. The building is okay, but everything else. It's a pity. Such a nice area, a nice place. And this must have been some equipment used here from old lorries, old trucks. Now we are going to visit the ticket office and the welcome center. As you can see, everywhere is empty here. These look like there have been some kind of offices. Paka, come to see what we find here. Looks like an old video.
There it is, yeah, it's not so.
Nice, huh?
Nice. It's like a music something, yeah?
Here?
Like a projector.
Hello. As you can see here, you can find all type of props that were used here or dumped here. I'm not sure, but quite interesting. As Joe was pointing out, this theme park is built inside a fort, which is Fort St. Rocco. And the housings here, you can see names on them. Every part is named with a different name. They're quite interesting. Nice. Oh, look at this place. It's like a jungle. There must have been like a puppet show here. Nice, huh? This is Snow White, this part, huh? Amazing, oh. One of the biggest problems we have today is how we're going to go inside there. And we found that here there are hinges. And we tried from there, we tried to open here, it's closed. Here it's closed. Then, look at how ingenious this is. The secret door. Like this. and we can go inside. And from here, you can make the puppet show. Good idea, eh? Here we are still exploring this area. Shipwright. This was some kind of shipping experience, but here, these they look real from like Second World War II. Here one of the problems you will find is which parts are movie props and which others are part of the fort here of St. Rocco, which makes it more interesting. See? Well, here we are going to enter the Titanic experience. The real Titanic got down by water, but here, like, it's been by fire. Let's take some care getting in. As you can see, it's all burned up. Like a boat office, with the gates, everything. But this was the Titanic experience, you see. Most probably this was the railing of the ship. What a pity, eh? Hope that this was done by an accident, not somebody put it on fire. You see, with the rivets like the ship, the ship. This is inside what was the Titanic. Look, what an experience, eh? Look how beautiful it is. What a pity. You see, people used to go out from here. Here, we can see that there's the date up here. 1917. What do you think, Paka, here?
It's very nice, interesting, and it's very big place.
I think this was another attraction, with columns and everything.
It's like a Roman something. Go.
Here, the columns are a little bit better. Some props here. Like old, how you say, where the people used to sleep. Must be a prop as well. This looks something interesting. Anyone knows what this is? It's like a vent, huh? It's beautiful, huh? This looks like a real cannon. But the problem here, everything looks real because it's a movie theme park. See? Now I have found this place. It's the Jumanji experience. I think water used to fall down here with these small steps. It's very nice, eh? Look, the Jumanji up here. And here we go inside this area. What used to be the carousel of the theme park. I think it's one of a kind in Malta. Here you can also find a part of a ship. Maybe it was one of the attractions here. Mela, here at the movie park, they left many attractions and one of them is one of the statues. Take a look. Eh? Looks real, eh? It looks like our Paka. What do you think, Paka? Paka! Here we are still exploring this area today with Paka and Joe Grimes. There's plenty to see here. As you can see, many props. There's many props mixed with history here. Very well. An old Coca-Cola advert. It's a big speaker. Look what we found here. That's something interesting. One of that shows that you are part of here, that you paid. Interesting, yeah? Hello again. This is the end of our journey today, our adventure here at the Rinella Movie Park. It was very interesting. With me today we have Joe Grimes. Go to visit his channel. He has some cool footage from his drone. And Paka, you know him very well, Vince Paka. He also has some drone footage and he's a bit on this channel as well. Until next time, bye bye.